Hello and welcome to our special feature where we are diving into the timeless wisdom of Jim Rohn, one of the most influential thinkers and speakers on personal development and success. Jim Rohn's work is celebrated for its profound insights, practical wisdom, and the ability to inspire change. His books are more than just reading material. They are guides to living a more fulfilling and successful life. Whether you're a longtime admirer or new to his teachings, this journey through his top 5 books will offer you valuable lessons and key takeaways that can be applied in your everyday life. Book number 5 is The Art of Exceptional Living. This book isn't just a read, it's a journey into the depths of personal growth and the art of living a life that's not just good, but exceptional. Firstly, Jim Rohn teaches us the power of self-responsibility. He reminds us that we are the architects of our own destiny. The circumstances we find ourselves in today are not a product of chance, but a result of our own making. This understanding empowers us to take charge of our lives and make the necessary changes to steer it towards success. Another pivotal takeaway is the importance of personal development. Rohn famously said, "Your level of success will rarely exceed your level of personal development." He urges us to invest in ourselves, to continually learn, grow, and improve. It's not just about financial success. It's about enriching our lives and the lives of those around us. Rohn also places a strong emphasis on the value of time. He teaches us that time is more valuable than money because it is non-renewable. Every moment counts, and how we choose to use our time can define the trajectory of our lives. It's about making meaningful choices, prioritizing what truly matters, and living each day with purpose. Additionally, Jim Rohn highlights the significance of setting goals. He encourages us to dream big, but also to break down these dreams into achievable goals and actionable steps. It's not just about the end goal, it's about the journey, the growth, and the learning that happens along the way. Finally, one of the most powerful messages from The Art of Exceptional Living is the importance of attitude. Rohn tells us that our attitude is more important than our bank balance, our circumstances, or our past. A positive, resilient, and grateful attitude can open doors that no amount of money can. In conclusion, The Art of Exceptional Living by Jim Rohn isn't just about achieving success in the traditional sense. It's a guide to living a life that is rich in personal growth, fulfillment, and joy. It's about taking responsibility for our lives, investing in our personal development, valuing our time, setting meaningful goals, and maintaining a positive attitude. These lessons are timeless and universally applicable, making The Art of Exceptional Living a must, read for anyone seeking to lead a truly exceptional life. Book number 4 is 5 Major Pieces to the Life Puzzle. This book isn't just a collection of ideas. It's a blueprint for constructing a life of fulfillment, success, and inner peace. The first major piece to the life puzzle, according to Jim Rohn, is philosophy. Rohn teaches us that our philosophy, how we think and what we believe, shapes every aspect of our lives. Our worldview influences our decisions, our actions, and ultimately our destiny. He urges us to cultivate a positive and empowering philosophy, one that embraces growth, learning, and resilience. The second piece is attitude. Rohn emphasizes that our attitude determines our approach to life. It's the lens through which we view the world. A positive attitude enables us to overcome challenges, seize opportunities, and maintain our focus on our goals. Our attitude, Rohn insists, is something we can control and harness to fuel our journey toward success. Next, we have the third piece, action. Jim Rohn eloquently states that our actions are the foundations of our achievements. It's not enough to have a good philosophy and a positive attitude. We must act on our plans and goals. He encourages us to be disciplined in our actions, consistent in our efforts, and always striving towards excellence. The fourth major piece is the results. This is about understanding the law of sowing and reaping. Our actions, attitudes, and philosophy all contribute to the results we see in our lives. Rohn teaches us to evaluate our results regularly, learn from them, and adjust our actions accordingly. This ongoing process of reflection and adjustment is crucial for achieving our desired outcomes. Finally, the fifth piece is lifestyle. Jim Rohn believed that the ultimate goal of all our efforts is to create a lifestyle that we can truly enjoy and be proud of. A lifestyle that reflects our deepest values, brings joy and fulfillment, and allows us to make a positive impact on the world around us. He reminds us that success is not just about wealth or status, but about creating a life that is rich in experiences, relationships, and meaning. In essence, 5 Major Pieces to the Life Puzzle by Jim Rohn is not just a book, but a compass for navigating life's journey. It teaches us to develop a sound philosophy, maintain a positive attitude, take consistent action, evaluate our results, and build a fulfilling lifestyle. These 5 pieces, when put together, form a complete picture of a life well lived. Book number 3 is Leading an Inspired Life. This book isn't just about leadership or success. It's a guide to living a life that is not only successful, but also meaningful and inspiring. One of the key takeaways from Rohn's book is the importance of personal development. Jim Rohn believed that our achievements in life are directly proportional to our personal growth. He emphasized the need for continuous learning, self-improvement, and self-discipline. This ongoing process of development is the cornerstone of leading an inspired life. Another critical aspect that Rohn discusses is goal setting. He teaches us that having clear, well-defined goals is essential for success. But more importantly, he focuses on the significance of the process of achieving these goals, the discipline, the perseverance, and the learning that happens along the way. These experiences enrich our journey and shape our character. Jim Rohn also highlights the power of relationships. He believed that the people we surround ourselves with have a profound impact on our lives. Building strong, positive relationships and nurturing them is crucial for a fulfilled and inspired life. He encourages us to be compassionate, understanding, and to contribute positively to the lives of others. Rohn speaks about the significance of attitude. He asserts that our attitude is a key determinant of our success and happiness. A positive, resilient attitude helps us overcome challenges and turn obstacles into opportunities. Our attitude, Rohn reminds us, is something we can control and use as a tool to shape our destiny. Lastly, Jim Rohn teaches us the importance of living a balanced life. He stresses that true success encompasses all areas of life: health, wealth, relationships, and personal growth. Balancing these aspects is essential for leading an inspired life. It's not just about professional success, but about nurturing every part of our being. In conclusion, Leading an Inspired Life by Jim Rohn is more than a book. It's a philosophy for life. It guides us to focus on personal development, set and pursue meaningful goals, foster enriching relationships, maintain a positive attitude, and strive for balance in all aspects of life. These principles form the foundation of not just a successful life, but an inspired and fulfilling one. Book number 2 is Cultivating an Unshakable Character. This book isn't merely a collection of ideas. It's a roadmap to building a character that stands the test of time and adversity. Jim Rohn's first key takeaway is the importance of integrity. He emphasizes that integrity forms the bedrock of a strong character. It's about being true to your word, consistent in your actions, and honest in your dealings. Integrity, as Rohn suggests, is not just a moral virtue, but a practical tool for building trust and credibility in our personal and professional lives. Another vital aspect Rohn discusses is courage. He encourages us to face our fears, take risks, and step out of our comfort zones. Courage, according to Rohn, isn't the absence of fear, but the ability to act in spite of it. This trait is essential for growth, overcoming challenges, and achieving our highest potential. Rohn also highlights the significance of personal responsibility. He teaches that taking ownership of our lives, our decisions, and our actions is key to developing strong character. Blaming others or circumstances gives away our power. Rohn inspires us to claim this power back by being accountable for our lives. Additionally, Rohn speaks to the power of perseverance. He insists that persistence in the face of challenges and setbacks is crucial. Character, he suggests, is not just built during easy times, but is forged during trials and adversity. Perseverance is what keeps us moving forward, even when the path is steep. Another cornerstone of unshakable character, according to Rohn, is humility. He advocates for the grace to remain humble in success and resilient in failure. Humility keeps us grounded and open to learning. It allows us to appreciate others and understand that success is often a shared journey. Lastly, Jim Rohn emphasizes the importance of generosity. He suggests that sharing our time, resources, and knowledge not only enriches the lives of others, but also enhances our own character. Generosity cultivates a sense of community and connection, which is vital for our personal and social well-being. In conclusion, Cultivating an Unshakable Character by Jim Rohn is a guide to building a life of integrity, courage, responsibility, perseverance, humility. These qualities not only define who we are, but also shape the legacy we leave behind. Let us embrace these principles and build characters that are not only unshakable, but also inspire those around us. Book number 1 is The Seasons of Life. This book is not just a literary piece. It's a metaphorical compass for navigating the ever-changing seasons of our existence. Rohn begins by drawing parallels between the cycles of nature and the cycles of our lives. He teaches us that just as the world experiences spring, summer, fall, and winter, our lives too are marked by periods of growth, prosperity, harvest, and reflection. Spring represents opportunity, a time for planting and new beginnings. Rohn emphasizes the importance of seizing these opportunities, being proactive, and laying the groundwork for future success. Just as a farmer plants in spring to harvest in autumn, we too must take action in our spring moments to prepare for the future. Summer is a time of protection and nurturing. Rohn speaks to the necessity of guarding our planted seeds against the distractions and negativities that can derail our progress. It's a time for perseverance and dedication to our goals, ensuring that our efforts come to fruition. Then comes fall, the season of harvest. Rohn eloquently reminds us that the quality and quantity of our harvest depend largely on the efforts we put in during spring and summer. It's a time of reaping, but also of reflection and learning from the outcomes of our efforts, whether they are successes or lessons. Winter, Rohn suggests, is perhaps the most challenging yet profound season. It's a time of introspection, facing challenges, and personal growth. He encourages us to use these periods of adversity to build strength, character, and resilience. Winter is not just an end, but also a preparation for another beginning. Throughout the seasons of life, Jim Rohn doesn't just describe these seasons. He teaches us how to live them. He guides us to embrace each season's unique challenges and opportunities. His message is clear. The seasons will change, but our ability to thrive in each of them depends on our perception, actions, and willingness to adapt and grow. In conclusion, The Seasons of Life by Jim Rohn is a profound guide to understanding and navigating the ebbs and flows of our existence. It teaches us to embrace each season, to learn from it, and to grow. As we cycle through our own seasons, let us remember Rohn's wisdom and approach each with courage, hope, and the anticipation of growth. This concludes our list of Jim Rohn's top 5 books and their key takeaways. Please subscribe to our channel if you enjoyed this content.